Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this drawing, sketching, and coloring essential art set from NIL-TECH. Now, NIL-TECH did send this to us today for free for us to check out, but look at this. Look at everything that you are going to get in here. You get this bonus sketch pad, and then whenever you scan this QR code, it will give you access to their exclusive library of tutorials and books, so that's really cool. You have your colored pencils right here, and then you have some metallic ones here. These also dual as like your watercolors. You can use the little watercolor pen right here to do that. This top just pops off, and then right there, that is wet all the time because you can fill it full of water. Go ahead, slide that back in there. And then you do have like a traditional brush down here as well, right there. Over here, you have your pencils. Different hardnesses of these are different colors. You have your B's and your H's. I'm not super familiar with this set. Like I said, they sent it to me for free. My son has been using it though, and he drew us this little picture right here. It was actually our cat's birthday, and there's our cat for her birthday, but here in a second we will test out all of this stuff as well. You have your charcoals, you have like a pencil holder, a blending tool, your pastels, you have an eraser right here, as well as a pencil sharpener, and then you have this thing up here, which my son told me is to like kind of grind away at these so that you can give them different looks and stuff with this sandpaper type stuff that is on here. So let's go ahead, push this up here and get this sketch pad out, and we will paint us something. Let's see if we can, we'll just leave that in there. Doesn't look like they remove very easily, which I don't think you usually do with a sketch pad, taking stuff out of it. Make sure you guys can see everything that we are doing right here. So we'll go ahead and try one of these darker colors here just to ensure that you can see it. Watercolor right here. This one is going to be your purple. And we'll just put a little bit down here so that you can see it. That is what it looks like without any of the watercolor applied to it, or any of the water applied to it. And then we'll go ahead and take our pen right here and look at that. Kind of smooths it away and makes it look like that watercolor finish. That's really cool. Put this back on. And then, like I said, you have these metallic ones here as well. And I believe these will also do the same thing as your watercolors. Let's go ahead and give it a try to make sure. Oh, look at that. That is definitely more metallic looking than the other one. And we'll take this and give it a little try. That one there, yeah, it's doing the same thing. Not quite as well as this one, but it is doing it. And then, like I said, you have your standard brush down here. I'm not going to use it. And we'll go ahead and try a couple of these graphite pencils. This one's here should be darker, I believe. There we go. Got that right there. And then we'll try one of these other ones, which I believe these ones are supposed to be lighter. Yeah, there we go. That's a lot lighter. The lead is supposed to be a lot harder on this. So there we go. Looks really cool. And then we do have our charcoal ones right here, which my son did not use the charcoal ones at all. So we will need to sharpen it. So I'm going to go ahead and sharpen this up a little bit. All right. So there we go. We've got it sharpened up. And oh, look at that. Really dark. That's cool. This is the soft charcoal. All right, cool. Slide that back in there. As you can see, they slide right back in there nice and easily. This here is, it's like a holder in case these pencils start to get a little bit shorter. You can stick this in here. All right, cool. So whenever your pencils get shorter, of course, you can use this, or if you want to have a really long reach for some reason, which you may need to do in some art projects, and to ensure that you're not smearing stuff, especially with like these charcoal colors and stuff. Sometimes they can smear, so then you can get a long reach on this and not have to worry about resting your hand down and smearing stuff. So we'll go ahead and take that off. This thing just slides up and down and locks it in place like that. Slide that back in there, slide this one back in here, and then go ahead and see how this works. Oh yeah, there it is. Definitely blends. All right, cool. That's really neat. Like I said, not a very artistic guy, but this stuff's super cool. And then we have our eraser here, and wow, that works really well. Look at that, erases that right away. And then we have our pastel colors here. And I don't think he used the pastels at all, but let's see. Oh, there we go. That's really cool. I think he may have actually used the pastels over there on that picture. So, and then this sharpener does just kind of tuck away in here. I had it out so I wouldn't forget about it, because as you can see, it does just hide it away completely. So overall, really cool. Like I said, my son had a lot of fun with it. So whether you're an adult or if you're a kid, whatever, this thing is going to be super neat. You just put this back in here. It does have a zipper on it so that it stays all nice and together. Don't have to worry about things falling out, going anywhere. Again, this is a drawing, sketching, and coloring essential art set from NIL-TECH. Go ahead and check it out.